back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I am back with an unboxing video, but before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you're new around here. I'm Fabiola and I love to create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos. I also love girly and pink things, so if you're into any of that, consider subscribing. Also click that like button and follow me on social media. I do post a lot of like girly and pink stuff on my Instagram, so check it out. So that being said, let's go ahead and move on to the video. So this unboxing is on a purse that I got about 5.5 weeks ago. And the reason why I got it is because I ended up changing my other wallet that I had, which was the Louis Vuitton Pochette wallet on chain, which was like a crossbody bag, but it was just too small. I mean, it was a beautiful bag, but I just felt like I wasn't really using it as much. So then after, you know, a month or two of using it, I decided to sell it and then use that money to get something bigger that I would use every single day. So that is what I did. But then, you know, things unexpectedly happened. You guys know what I'm talking about. And I was just kind of concerned and worried about the whole situation. So I ended up just leaving it in my closet. And I was, you know what, I'll just wait for all this to just, you know, be done with. But it's just been sitting in my closet and I'm dying to open it. So I decided, you know, why not just go ahead and do the video, something to make me happy and look forward to in the summer, hopefully, or the fall. But anyway, here is the box, and like I said, it's closed. So we're going to open it, and as you guys saw in the title, it is a Louis Vuitton, and I am so excited, you guys. I feel like this is it. This is like the one that I will use a lot. And you know, I'm sad that I sold my Felici wallet, but I am very happy that I ended up getting something that I will definitely use. So here it is, and they didn't like put ribbon on it. I don't know why. All my other purchases have had like the ribbon. I wonder if they didn't put the ribbon because it was an exchange. I don't know. Has that ever happened to you guys? Let me know in the comments down there below. So here it is. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. This is definitely much bigger than the Felici Pochette. So I'm very excited. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but when I opened it, I was like, oh my goodness, this is like smaller than I thought. And you guys, I've been eyeing this purse for like the longest time. And I finally have it. I am so excited. And yes, it's pink, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at this beauty. Isn't she just so perfect? It's beautiful. It's like in the perfect pink color. This is the Rose Poudre. And this one here is called the Pochette Metis in the Rose Poudre. It does come in like so many different colors now. But of course I had to get the pink. I feel like pink is just perfect because a lot of like my outfits are either white or pink or like light shades. So this is going to be just like perfect. It has like a beautiful gold hardware, which looks amazing with the pink. And it has this. The back also has like a side pocket. Oh, the zipper is so smooth. It has like a lot of nice compartments. I am going to use the heck out of this. So it has like a top handle, and I love this purse because I'm not going to have to worry about, you know, getting it stained with water. It's all just one color. So let's open it up. It has a beautiful pink flap. And then here is the inside. So this bag does come with a removable strap, and it is like an adjustable strap in this gorgeous pink color. And the inside has 3 compartments, which I am very excited for. I'm going to be able to fit so much in here. I'm loving this already. They put this inside. And this bag was made in the USA. But I am like so in love with the purse. I am going to like pack this up with so much stuff. I am very excited for this. Let's go ahead and put the strap just to see what it looks like. And this here closes perfectly, so there's no problem with that. And the strap is really nice. It's like long enough that you can use it as a shoulder bag and a crossbody. So here it is. She is just the most beautiful thing ever. I am so excited that I got this purse. I think it's like perfect. It's the perfect color, shape, size, everything. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I will be doing a video on what fits inside the purse as well as different ways to style this. But you guys, I'm so happy. So happy that I finally opened it. You know, I was debating between opening it or just waiting, but might as well open it. So yeah, you guys, I hope you have an amazing rest of your afternoon, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.